Genesis, the most beautiful name in the wide world. Yogesh.
What is Jenny?
Yeah, named it after Jenny.
Okay. Romance language 1200.
A creepy custom said to exist in feudal Europe involving a lord and new brides of those in his service was called what to him? Yogesh.
What is Senor?
Yes.
Romance language 1600.
Answer there. The final daily double of the game. And it comes at a good time for you, Yogesh. You're in second place.
You watching the birds?
5,000.
All right.
The birds about to roost. That's what they're doing. They're about to roost.
It's Italian for hope.
It's dusk.
As in the original of
Rick.
Abandon All Hope, ye who enter here.
What is
Yes, I'm watching Jeopardy.
You were a little late in the Esperanza.
I listen to Jeopardy to,
So you lose $5,000.
I don't know, stimulate my brain.
Romance language 2000.
The chant, the people united will never be defeated.
I don't try to answer every question because I can't, but I still will be learning. Right, Rick?